Marking up a photo. Use Encircle's photo markup tool to draw attention to notable conditions, damages, and more in your Encircle photos. This feature can be used with your room photos, note photos, contents photos, and floor plan images. In our example, let's say we want to add some emphasis to our cause of loss photos to draw the adjuster's eye to the important details right away. We've already got a note created with some photos. To get started, open up the photo and select Markup. You'll have a number of drawing tools to work with, such as lines, shapes, freehand, text, and more. In this example, we'll draw a circle around the cracked seal with an arrow pointing to it. Scroll to the right and select Circle, then draw the circle shape by dragging. You can resize the shape by dragging the corners. You can select colors, so let's select a line color and choose red. And to give it a bit more emphasis, we'll set the line width to medium. You can add an arrow for extra emphasis. Scroll left, choose the arrow tool, and then drag to draw an arrow. Lastly, add a text box to label the cracked seal. Scroll to the right and choose Text. Draw a text box next to the circle and enter the text. Cracked seal. Now we've got a nice amount of detail to ensure that the adjuster will spot the important info right away when they review our photos. If at any point you're unhappy with something you've drawn, you can use the Undo button up top to undo your last change. Or if you wish to start over, you can use the Revert to Original button at the top left to erase all of your changes. When you're happy with your markups, tap Save. If needed, you can edit or remove your photo annotations even after saving. Just open the photo and select Markup. You won't see the Revert to Original or Undo buttons anymore since you've already saved your changes, but you can delete each element individually. Make sure you select the Move Mode option on the very left so that you can freely select elements without actually drawing new ones. Then simply tap on whichever elements you wish to remove and tap the trash can. From here, you can save the photo as is or make new markups if you wish.